Today we're working on a 2024 Ram 1500 four-wheel drive. We're going to be installing a 6-inch BDS kit, 22-inch fuel wheels with 35-inch tires. We're about to put it in our 2-post lift and actually get this process going. All right guys, for this setup, this customer went with a 6-inch BDS kit. He did upgrade to the coilover setup, which actually comes with a reservoir tank, and it does have high and low speed compression settings. And on the rear, he also went with the reservoir setup, and the same thing, it has high and low speed compression settings on there too. Reggie has this vehicle already pretty much torn apart, and he's fixing to start putting all these components together and get them installed. All right, for this build, this customer selected a 22x12. It's a Fusion Forged edition from Fuel Off-Road. It actually has a matte finish center with a glossy lip. It also is a concave style, and we're gonna put it together with a Predator Mutant 35x1250 22 AT. Reggie's gonna get this rolling and get them all wrapped up so we could get them put on this beautiful truck. What are you working on, Reg? What is that badge you're trying to put on? Oh, is that BDS badge? Okay. So Reggie already has the front and rear cross member on. He already put even the bracket for the differential. And he's gonna start assembling the knuckles put together to get these coilovers put on. Anything to say to our YouTube people, man?
Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe.
All right. You guys make sure y'all hit us up with all the good comments and negative comments. Don't matter. We could take constructive criticism, so we're good with that. I see he's trying to get that track bar in. Let's see how he goes. He's always finding. It's like a match right here. Oh, you got it on the first try, Reg. Well, I'll tell you, my knee's hurting right now. I don't know why. I don't know if it's age or injuries. What do you think, Reg? Age? That's messed up. Yeah, pretty much done. You just gotta put the shocks in now, right?
Yeah.
Flagged by the IRS for possible identity theft in 2023. In your mind this tax season, like Lockdown, our U.S.-based restoration specialists are experts dedicated to helping stop your
What are you doing, Reg?
Marking the truck down.
What's that for?
I can see that smooth and everything on these vehicles at the 500-mile retort.
Oh, okay. right, Reggie's pretty much done. We're gonna scope out everything that he's already accomplished here. Let's see, Reg. Make sure you ain't slacking. Looking great. Let's go to the back. Oh yeah. Everything is bolted up. Ready to slap on the wheels and tires and get it aligned. All right, just to recap, the customer went with a 6-inch BDS kit with the upgraded coilover setup, and the wheels, he went with a 22 by 12 Fuel Off-Road, their Fusion Forged Edition, which is the model FC401. We wrapped it together with a 35 1250-22 Predator Mutant AT. Truck came out looking good, leveled, sharp, blackout with a concave look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and more builds to come.
I want to say shout out to my man, shout out to BSC. You got a happy customer. Y'all take care.